Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix YouTube not working on Opera GX. If YouTube is not loading, if videos aren't loading, playback is lagging, or the site keeps crashing, we will guide you step by step on how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is clear the browsing data. To do that, go to Settings. You can find it in the left panel, in the three dots menu, or at the upper right part of the browser. Under the Privacy and Security section, click on Clear. Here, we will delete the cookies, site data, and cached images. This frees up memory and gives the browser more space to run. Next, we need to disable extensions. To do this, click on Extensions. From here, we can remove or disable them using the drop-down menu. Turn off any extensions we do not need. Once they are disabled, YouTube should run properly. Now we need to update the browser. To do that, go back to Settings and open About Opera. From here, we can check for updates. The browser will check for any available update, and if one is found, it will update automatically. After that, we need to restart the computer. Close all open applications, then restart the modem so that both the computer and the internet connection are fully refreshed. Once that is done, YouTube should now be working again. We have successfully fixed YouTube on Opera GX. Videos should now load and play smoothly without any interruptions.